How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to learn English and we are going to see the workbook only. Last class, what we learned? We learned lesson 1 workbook, isn't it? And this week, this class, we are going to learn poem 1, Come Out With Me, workbook only we are going to learn. Children all have completed the workbook in the exercise in lesson 1. Children, I hope you all completed. Write neatly. You can use pencil. Okay, children, we learned what about statement, imperative, isn't it, children? Are you thorough in it? Okay, today we will see poem 1, Come Out With Me, workbook. Write a homophone for each of these words. Write a homophone for each of these words. See, homophones are what, children? I taught you, isn't it? What are homophones? What are homophones? Homophones are words that sound similar but have different spellings and meanings. They sound similar. The pronunciation, the sound will be same, but it has different spellings and meanings. I gave homework also, isn't it, children? But only few of them have completed. In B2. In B2 and all, only few of them have completed. For the children, hats off for them. Okay. What are homophones, children? Homophones are words that sound similar but have different spellings and meanings. We'll see some of the words. Number 1, flea. This also flea and this side also flea. But the spelling is different. F-L-E-A and here F-L-E-E. Flea. Understood, children? Second one, plain. P-L-A-I-N. Plain. Plain means what? The plain land. We will say like that, isn't it? That plain. And P-L-A-N-E means what? Plane, aeroplane. That's spelling. Understood? The spelling is different. You have to see that carefully. Third one, here. Here means what? Come here, we will say, isn't it? H-E-R-E here. But this letter H-E-A-R here means what? The sound, what we hear. Understood? And the fourth one, sell. S-E-L-L, sell. Sell means what we are selling. And C-E-L-L means cell means what? That battery, that cell and all is there, isn't it? And the fifth one, wood. W-O-U-D, wood. And this one, W-O-O-D, wood. You know the meaning of wood, isn't it? And sixth one, principal. Principal will say, isn't it? P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, principal. And then this one is principal. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E, principal. Understood, children? The pronunciation is there's words that sound similar, but they have different spellings and meanings for it. And quite, Q-U-I-T-E, quite. And here Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. And then next eighth one, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. And here K-N-O-W-S, nose. Understood? Are you thorough, children? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Circle the homophones within the brackets. You have to circle the correct homophones. These two words also, what? The words are similar. They pronounce similar, but their meanings are different. See the first one, T-H-E-I-R and apostrophe S. And here, T-H-E-R-E-S apostrophe S. There's, isn't it? There's sun on the river and sun on the hill. So which days will come, children? Can you identify? Yes. There's sun on the river and sun on the hill. T-H-E-R-E apostrophe S. This is the correct answer. Understood, children? Okay, we'll go to the next one. The little sparrow flew up and sat on the ceiling fan. Can you know the spelling for ceiling spelling? See, first one Ceiling, ceiling, and the second one is Cesealing. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, this is the correct answer. Ceiling, ceiling. Okay, children? Okay, third one. Uday ducked just in time to avoid getting hit by the ball. Uday ducked just in time to avoid getting hit by the ball. Ducked, you know, all of them are well known in cricket, isn't it? Ducked means which spelling will come, ma? Yes. Uday. Okay, children, what's the spelling for duck, children? Ducked. Duck. Uday ducked just in time to avoid getting hit by the ball. Okay, fourth one. The teachers were full of praise for Anku's excellent performance. The teachers were full of praise for Anku's excellent performance. Which praise will come, children? Praise or prays? Praise. This is the correct spelling. Praise. Praise. Okay, children? Okay, we'll go to the fifth one. Look through this file of old books and put aside those that you want. Once again, I'll read. Look through this file of old books and put aside those that you want. Which through will come, children? THREW or THROUGH? Which through? Through means what? You are throwing, isn't it? So which will come? This throw will come. What? THROUGH. Look through this file of old books and this pile of old books and put aside those that you want. Okay, children? The next one. Match the columns to make correct phrases. Match the columns to make correct phrases. So what you have to combine these two words to make a new words, isn't it? See, example, flour mills means flour mills. Understood? You have to make them together. You have to make them together. You have to make correct phrases. You have to make correct phrases. Understood, children? For floor, what will come? Now I said, isn't it? Floor mills. What will come? Floor mills. Okay. The second one, what children will come? Can you guess? Rose garden. Rose garden. Okay. The third one, mango. See, mango, what will come, children? Can you tell for it? You can tell for mango. Mango grooves. Mango grooves. Mango grooves. Okay, children. And fourth one, apple. What will come? Apple orchards. Apple orchards. And the last one, tea plantations. Tea plantations. So once again, I'll repeat. Flour mills, rose garden, mango groves, apple orchards, and tea plantations. Are you thorough, children? You have to write it neatly. You have to draw line neatly. You should not scribble. Use scale to draw the lines. You have to use not your with your hand. You should draw. Hand means it won't. The straight line will not come. So you have to use scale to draw these lines. Okay. Yes. Choose the correct question tags and fill in the blanks. This all we learnt in the lessons, isn't it? Homophones we learnt, question tags, phrases, everything. The related to that only they have given in workbook. Understood? I think some of them would have finished. Okay. Choose the correct question tags and fill in the blanks. There are 8 new puppies at the roundabout farm. There are 8 new puppies at the roundabout farm. So what? See, in the first itself, R is given. There are. Isn't it? There is not. There are is there. So as soon as you find like this, See, aren't there or aren't it? If you choose means what will come? What's the correct answer? Aren't there. Aren't there. What will come? Aren't there. There are 8 new puppies at the roundabout farm. Aren't there? Understood? Question mark is important. That is only question tags. Understood? The second one. The wind is blowing on the hill. See, wind is there, isn't it? So what will come? Didn't or isn't it? What will come? Is there. Then didn't it won't come. So what you have to write? Isn't it? What you have to write? Isn't it? ISN apostrophe comma should be there. While writing, it should be clear. Don't write in a big letter. It should be clear. Isn't it? The wind is blowing on the hill. Isn't it? Question mark. Understood, children? The third one. Nobody plays with the child. Nobody plays with the child. So what will come? Have they will come or do they will come? Have they will not come. What will come? Do they? What will come? Do they? Nobody plays with the child. Do they? Question mark. What will come? Question mark. And the fourth one. You are fond of gardening. You are fond of gardening. This also is very easy to find. You are is there. So, aren't you will come or won't you will come? Aren't you? What will come? Aren't you? AREN apostrophe comma TYOU and question mark. Aren't you? Understood, children? You are fond of gardening, aren't you? Okay, we'll see the next one. Fifth. This soup is delicious. This soup is delicious. Is there. This is there, isn't it? Isn't it or wouldn't you will come. This soup is delicious. Wouldn't you will not come, isn't it? So what will come? Isn't it? What will come? Isn't it? ISN apostrophe comma T and IT question mark. This soup is delicious, isn't it? Okay, we'll go to the sixth one. That was an excellent musical performance. That was an excellent musical performance. See what is given there is children was. That was is given, isn't it? So if was is come, aren't it will come children? No. What will come? Wasn't it? What will come? Wasn't it? So WASN apostrophe comma TIT. See question mark will come. Okay, children, wasn't it? WASN apostrophe comma TIT and question mark. Wasn't it? That was an excellent musical performance, wasn't it? Okay, children, are you thorough in this one? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. See, imagine it is your summer vacation. Imagine it is your summer vacation. You want to spend time with your friends and ask them to come out with you and play. Write a paragraph in 6 to 8 sentences on how you plan to enjoy your time. See, in the summer vacation, you are calling your friends to come out with you to play. So, you have to write a paragraph using these hints. What are the hints they have given? Going to the park, playing cricket or badminton, other outdoor games, and the third one, going on a picnic. So, with these hints, you have to make 6 to 8 sentences. Understood, children? Okay, we'll see. See, I have given 5 points, but what you can do, you can write on your own also. You can write on your own also. I have said, I have said as before, you can write your own words. You can write your own words, but the sentence should be okay, children. You can write on your own words. It should be in correct sentence. The first one is in this summer vacation, I and my friends plan to go to the park. Once again, I will read, children. In this summer vacation, I and my friends plan to go to the park. See, I have put full stop, and there I have marked comma. You should write like that only. Understood, children? After vacation, you have to put comma, and after the park, you have to keep full stop. And the second one, we are going to enjoy a lot by playing cricket, comma, badminton, and other outdoor games. Second point, once again, I'll repeat. We are going to enjoy a lot by playing cricket, badminton, and other outdoor games. Okay, children, full stop. And the third one, the greenery in the park is very soothing. The greenery in the park is very soothing. Full stop. And the fourth one, there were many beautiful flowers and plants in the park. There were many beautiful flowers and plants in the park. Full stop. And the fifth one, we enjoy going on a picnic with my friends. Full stop. We enjoy going on a picnic with my friends. Children, once again I'll read. You listen carefully. In this summer vacation, I and my friends plan to go to the park. We are going to enjoy a lot by playing cricket, badminton, and other outdoor games. Number 3, the greenery in the park is very soothing. And 4, there were many beautiful flowers and plants in the park. The fifth one, we enjoy going on a picnic with my friends. Understood, children? Children, once again, I'll say all should write in pencil, and those who have not got the books, don't worry. You buy soon. Understood? Till then, you can copy down this in your rough note. You can copy down this in your rough note, so that after getting the books, what you can do, you can copy down. Always use pencil while writing in book. Why? Because you can't erase it. If you write in pen and if you make mistake means you can't erase it. So you can't write, because in fill in the blanks, some of the they will be giving only small column. So if you erase and write, if you strike it out and write means it won't look neat. So only I'm telling, use uh, pencil in book, and while writing in note you have to use pen. In note you have to use pen. Don't forget. Understood, children? Write neatly and you learn, children. Don't, because time is very short, isn't it? So we will be going on teaching. You have to learn, isn't it? You have to learn. Don't waste time in playing games in uh, mobile or watching cartoons in TV. You watch, you play for some time, for half an hour or 1 hour you play, and then you start studying. Understood, children? If you go on, if you, now itself, if you start studying means when we keep test, it will be very easy for you. That time you won't feel hard. That time you won't feel very hard. Understood, children? Will you follow this? Don't go outside. You wash your hands. Understood, children? While you're going out and coming means you wash your hands and keep your body clean. Understood, children? Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, children.